Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2019 GLC 300 4MATIC. This one's a polar white. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo with 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. 18-inch wheels, the tires are in good condition. A silk beige MB text interior with a dark brown linden wood trim. Panorama sunroof. GLC 300 4MATIC badging. Power liftgate. Clean set of floor mats. Fold down rear seats. Cargo cover. Premium 1 package with blind spot assist. Heated seats. Power windows. Heated steering wheel. Smartphone integration with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Paddle shifters for extra performance. A push start ignition. Rear view backup camera. Dual climate controls. Hard keys for rear media display. There's turn wheel for the infotainment center. Dynamic select for different driving patterns. This GLC has 29,361 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLC 300 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.